Hi guys, we have a product unboxing, so let's get to it. So it's from me, definitely it's not a mobile. Unboxing is so satisfying sometimes. Woohoo! Okay, half of the box is empty. Ta-da! Look at this. Xiaomi portable electric air compressor. After a lot of positive reviews by many of the users, I decided to take this one. The problem with my bike is the USB port is slightly different from the other bikes, so it was very difficult to find one which has the same adapter as BMW 1250 GS has. So this solves that problem because this is portable, chargeable, so I don't have to worry about connecting it to the bike. So I can directly take it and connect it to tire. Okay, very nice box. Woo! Super nice product. It's not that heavy. It looks heavy, but it's not that heavy. So when you start charging, it will blink here. This will display the actual tire pressure or the set tire pressure and other things. There are few controls: brightness, plus minus, reset. To remove this, yeah, got it. So whatever tire pressure I need to set, 35, 36, once I press it, I have to connect this to the tire, and that's it. I'm done. I have to press start, and within few minutes it will fill it up. So really nice, very nice design. It works for cars as well as bikes, so definitely this one is a must if you are a regular touring guy, no matter whether you are traveling in car or on bike. Let's go through the box once again. So they are calling it Xiaomi portable electric air compressor. So there are a few details they have written. There's one user manual, needle valve adapter, charging cable, storage pouch. So the MRP is 3,500, but I got it for 2,500. There was some offer going on. I have ordered this directly from their website and I have received this within 48 hours. So that was very quick. So battery capacity is 2000 mAh. Inflation pressure range is 3 to 145 psi. That's quite high. Okay. So this is the portable electric air compressor user manual. Before using it, I would recommend everyone to go through this. They have mentioned all the details about it, how to charge it, how much to charge it, about the valve pressure. Everything is there. We just go through this once. They have even given the recommended pressures for bicycles, motorcycles, cars, and even football, volleyball, basketball. I don't know if anyone has tried this one. Yeah, very informative, small. I guess within 5 minutes you can finish this. Then in this box, I guess we have something. Yeah, look here. We have some. Whoa. Yeah, I guess this is storage pouch. Very nice. Good cloth. It's thick. You can easily put it in this one and carry it. And what do we have here? I guess these are the valve adapters. Yeah, this is the valve adapter. I still don't know how to use this, so I'll be coming up with a user review video separately sometime soon once I get a good use of this product on my bike or my car. Do check that as well sometime in the future. This is the charging cable. I guess any USB charging plug will fit into this. This is typical Android plug. Alright, see you then. It was good talking to you guys after a long time. Today's product is Xiaomi air compressor. Very nice, very impressive design. There is nothing like this, not even close. No, there is no competition in this product range. So definitely worth the money. All right, let me know if you guys purchased it. How's your experience? Bye bye.